DIY Salt here. I am working my part-time job now. It is a Friday. I do fill-in work for whenever the full-time afternoon girl is out. So here we are at South Rock 97.3 WZBG. I'll be here for 4 hours. I'm going to bring you along with me. Stay tuned. Okay, music off. Luke Combs, Fast Car, South Rock 97.3 WZBG, and a very good afternoon to you. You got Sal hanging out with you this afternoon, filling in for... Here we go. YouTube will probably ban me for the music being played, but mic's on, music's off. South Rock 97.3 WZBG, Ed Sheeran with Perfect. And I cannot believe that it is baseball season already. What happened? It was just snowblower season, and now it's baseball season. So, which one do you like best? I can bet, I can guess. Anyways, let's take a quick look at our scores from yesterday. New York Mets opening big with a 11-7 win over the Pirates. Milwaukee. South Rock 97.3 WZBG, Maneater, Hall, and Oates. And you know, Daryl Hall actually has a really cool place up in Pawling, New York. It's actually not a far drive from here. And you can see some really good bands play there. A lot of tribute bands. Like I saw a Def Leppard tribute band. I saw... Okay, that's a wrap on the shift. Actually, I got one more hour, but there's really not much to record. Just playing music and stuff like that. So that's the day in life of a radio jock. You know, it wasn't too busy today. Had some traffic. Didn't have any giveaways. The morning show's a lot busier. Have a lot of readings and more news and stuff like that. But hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you when it's time to do my project, which is tomorrow. I will be checking the flywheel pin because I think I have a timing problem in my snowblower. So we're going to get back to DIY stuff. I know this isn't DIY stuff, but sometimes you just have to have fun. So, okay, I'll see you in the garage tomorrow.